Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and I am back with a Maniology video. I have just purchased some items from the Maniology website, and they had a $4 sale, so I got a few items. I didn't get very much, but I did get some items, so I just wanted to share them with you today. So what I did is I purchased a couple of plates and just opened up the box, and here is a sticker, Feed Your Soul. And they also give you a card. And what I ordered is, like I said, a couple of plates, a stamper set, and I wanted to show you, it was so super cute. And this is in honor of my sister. When I saw it, I said I had to get it because she loves what I'm about to show you. And I'm having difficulty getting this box open. So they've got this packed really, really well. I thought at least the box would be enough, but they have cellophane on it too. But that's good, so the product won't get damaged. I love it when a company really takes care of their products and packs it well. That's the scraper. And I'm trying to get the stamper out. So here is the stamper. And look at, they've got the stamper wrapped tight too, which I am glad. Nothing pops out, and it's sealed pretty well. Look at that. And folded. But I thought this was so super cute because she simply loves ladybugs. And I thought about her when I saw this. I said, oh my gosh, I have got to get this. She loves, even though she's not all into my nail art, but she loves ladybugs. So this is in honor of my sister. She loves those ladybugs. So the scraper is just as cute as the stamper. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. Look at that. That is so, so cute. Love it, love it, love it. And I love the fact that it's small and it's super firm. I cannot stand a scraper that's too flexible. I like a firm and small scraper card. So got that. And then I decided to go ahead and pick up a stamping polish. I'm trying to build up my stamping polish collection, which is very limited because a lot of times I do use regular polishes. But as of late, I want that intense color of a stamping polish. So I'm starting to pick up some items for stamping polishes. And I just wanted to show you this particular polish. It is so beautiful. And this one is called Renaissance. It is such a gorgeous polish. So with the stamping plates that I picked up, this is Maniology's M478. And I do not have any stamping plates that's just with letters and numbers on them. I love the backing of these plates as well. And that was just a regular print, and this is the cursive writing. I did not have anything like this also, and then it also has some wording on here. And this is M479. So I picked up these two plates. I am glad I did because I'll be able to just personalize a lot of my manis using these stamping plates. I love the wording that's on here. I love the cursive writing. And let me know, does anyone write cursive anymore? That is such a... I heard that they're not even teaching that in class anymore in schools. So this is the next stamping plate. This is a Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse stamping plate. I don't have any Minnie or Mickey Mouse. This is M508. I simply adore this plate. I said, well, let me get this because I have nothing in my arsenal with Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse. So I decided to go ahead and pick these up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and peel this one so you can see the images up close. And I'm going to do a little just stamping on the top of the cap just to see how well the stamping polish actually stamps. Again, I thought that this was just a super duper plate. Very cute. And I love like it has both Minnie and Mickey on this plate. So I'm going to have fun doing this. It has a lot of different little cute little images. It has musical instruments. It has the beach vibe, island vibe. It has some of those ship images. It is just very cute. Really, really cute plate. So we're going to have a little peel porn. And that's just simply peeling off the film. I did notice that this only had one filming on there. Sometimes a plate may have two films on top of each other. But I decided to go ahead and peel that off. And I love these images. These are so cute. And then you can also do a bit of reverse stamping, which I also like as well. It won't be too intricate or too detailed to where you can't do reverse stamping. Really, really like this plate. Aloha. Look at Mickey and the surfboard. Again, you can see those musical notes. You see a parrot. You see the island scene, ship scene. But I am going to quickly swatch this full nail image here in the lower right corner. But first, I'm going to go ahead and clean it with pure acetone to get any residue from the film off of the plate. I'm sorry, that was M506. Y'all, my vision is not as good as it used to be. So I do apologize. This is Maniology M506. Now with swatching this, I was like, ooh, this consistency, I don't know. Usually a stamping polish is very, very thick. And I said, oh my God, I hope this picks up. But look at there. It is more pigmented than I thought. Oh, this is going to look so great over black, y'all. And I am really surprised that it shows up on white. It's not as prominent, but you see that shimmer in it at different angles. Look at that. That is gorgeous, y'all. I really am glad that I got this one. It is so odd and unique in color. It's like a champagne color. So pretty with some golden shimmer. Look at that. Oh, I thought this was cute too. 1928. And this is just more of a close-up look at all of these images so you can really see this if you really want this plate. I did get this when it was a $4 sale. So I don't know if this is still on the website, but I just could not pass that one up. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to purchase anything from Maniology, make sure you use my 10% off code, Simply Kiwi. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share with your polish family and friends. Again, make sure if you want to purchase anything from Maniology to get 10% off, you can use my Simply Kiwi code. It does help me get a bit of commission and to also to present more items from Maniology and to possibly do some giveaways in the future. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. And by the way, check out my other Maniology video by clicking here.